So hi friends, in this video we will learn how to use stored shared access policy to secure our Azure storage resources. So for that, let's go to our portal first, and let's say right now we have this you can say container. Let's add a policy here. So let's say add policy, and here we can say testing policy. Okay, and operation is read and list, and start from today till 11th, and click OK, and then save. Now go to the shared access token, and here we will select this policy. Now at the place of giving a permission manually, we are handling the things by policy only. Now let's copy this and try to access this. So here we will say this, and we need to connect with our container. So SAS, and paste this, then next, connect. Now you are able to see your content, but assume means this SAS token has been compromised, and you want to deny the access of this. So with the help of this policy, you can do this very easily. For that, what you need to do, go to your access policy, go here and click on this, add it, and you need to do this. Okay, and click OK. Now save this. Now you will try to access your this, then you are not able to do that. So this is a benefit of this stored shared policies. Okay, now we will learn how you can apply another policy on some file you want, or some container you want, you cannot modify the data, immutable Blob storage. Okay, for that there is a two type of policies. Right now we are interested for time-based retention policy, and let's say we want to disable this editing for 2 days. Click on submit, and now okay, now let's try to go to our container and try to, you can say, modify our file. So let's try to delete this. Fail to delete. This is not permittable of mute due to a policy. Okay, you are not able to do that. Let's try to edit, and let's try to save. Then you are not able to edit as well. So this is the advantage of this immutable policy and this stored shared policy. Thank you very much.